students, I am Uma. In this video, I am going to explain some important functional groups in organic chemistry of class 11th. Let us discuss some important functional groups in the organic chemistry. So, the first functional group name is carboxylic acid, children. What is the structural formula of carboxylic acid, children? RCOOH. R represents here alkyl group. Alkyl means what, children? CnH2n plus 1 represents what, children? Alkyl groups. That means you have to substitute one hydrogen atom from the alkane series. You will get alkyl group. R minus H. R minus H means, children, alkane minus hydrogen will produce here alkyl. So R represents any alkyl, whatever it is, methyl, ethyl, propyl, butyl, pentyl, hexyl, like that. So RCOOH, it is the structural formula of carboxylic acid. So here, what is the prefix of carboxylic acid, children? Carboxy, and suffix is carboxylic acid or oic acid. And the second functional group is sulfonic acid. RSO3H is the structural formula of sulfonic acid, and the prefix of sulfonic acid is sulfo, and suffix is sulfonic acid of sulfonic acid. Same as it is, we can also write. And here ester, RCOOR. It is a derivative of acid, carboxylic acid. So one alkyl group is replaced the hydrogen. So that's why we will get ester from the acid. It is a derivative of acid. So RCOOR is said to be ester. And what is the prefix of ester, children? Alkoxycarbonyl. And O8 is the suffix of ester. Now we are going to discuss about acid halide. It is also derivative of acid. Instead of OH group, we can also replace the halide group. So then we will get acid halide. So that means RCOX group is said to be acid halide. Here X represents fluoride, whatever it is, the halogen group, seventh group element, either it is fluorine, chlorine, bromine or iodine. What is the prefix of acid halide, children? Halocarbonyl. Halocarbonyl. OL halide is the suffix. And next, amide group. Fifth one is amide group. RCONH2 is the one of the derivative of carboxylic acid. Amide RCONH2 is the amide group, and the prefix of amide is carbamyl, and carboxamide or amide is the suffix of amide. So nitrile is another functional group, RCN. It is represented, its functional group structure is R bond CN, R bond CN. The prefix of nitrile is cyano. What is the suffix of nitrile here, children? Nitrile. And next, seventh functional group is aldehyde. So R bond CHO is said to be aldehyde functional group, and the prefix of aldehyde is formyl, and suffix is ALR or carbaldehyde. And eighth one, children, ketone. Ketone is the functional group, and here what is the structure of it, children? RCOR. So it is a functional group structure, RCOR. Two alkyl groups are attached to the carbonyl group. It will give ketone. And what is the prefix of ketone, children? Oxo, 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 and suffix is ONE, on. And next, children, ninth one, alcohol. Alcohol's structural formula is R bond OH. R bond OH. So one of the alkyl group is substituted in the hydrogen in the water molecules, we will get an alcoholic group. So hydroxy is the prefix of alcohols, ol is the suffix of the alcohol. And thiol means what, children? If sulfur and hydrogen is attached to the alkyl group, then it is said to be thiol. We can also write thiol as a suffix of it, and the prefix of thiol is mercapto. And 11th one, children, amine group. So amine is R bond NH2 group is said to be amine. So if one of the hydrogen is replaced by R group, another R group, it is said to be secondary amine. and if two R groups are replaced by the two hydrogen atoms is called replaced to the two hydrogen atoms is said to be that means tertiary amine. So in this NH2 group already one R is there, so that's why it is said to be primary amine. If one more R alkyl group is attached or substituted to the hydrogen atom, it will become into secondary amine. And if three R groups including this, we will get tertiary amine. Some more function group children I will discuss with you. And acid anhydrides, it is also derivative of acid children. Here two acid groups are there in this CO or COOH. So instead of one hydrogen we can also write another functional group, another acid group, then we will get acid anhydride. That means children water molecule is eliminated here in this group, so that's why we got acid anhydrides RCOOCOR. This is the acid anhydride. So, and the suffix of acid anhydride is oic anhydride and also carboxylic anhydride. Both are suffix. And here ethers R bond, O bond, R dash. That means these R groups are called alkyl groups that may be equal or that may be same or not same, may not be same. And here alkoxy or oxa is the prefix of the ethers and ether is the suffix of the ether. And alkenes, double bonded carbon compounds are said to be alkenes. The prefix of alkenes is alkenyl, and the suffix is -ene. And alkynes means children the organic compounds which contains triple bond between any two carbon atoms comes under the class of alkynes. So what is the prefix of alkanes children? Alkenyl. And here ine is the suffix. So alkanes are the saturated hydrocarbons children. So here all are the single bonds or sigma bonds between the carbon atoms. So that's why here alkanes has the prefix alkyl and suffix is ane to the alkanes. And nitro, NO2 group is attached to the alkyl group, it is said to be nitro group. So what is the prefix of nitro group children? Nitro only nitro. And ane is the suffix for the nitro. And halo groups children, halogens are denoted by X letter. So that's why R bond X represents alkyl halides or haloalkanes. So that's why halo is the prefix and ane is the suffix. So this is about functional group children in the organic chemistry. Thank you for watching this video children. If you like this video, then like, comment and share. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. I am Uma. You are watching Uma's Chemistry.